Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to return AliExpress order. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders section. Now here you want to find order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details. And there you should find the button Return and Refund, so now it should look like this. When you want to make a return on AliExpress, first of all you have to answer a few questions. So the first question is, did you receive your item? You have to select yes. And the second question is, do you want to return your item? You have to select yes as well. Then here you need to provide a reason why you're requesting your refund or return. In my case it's return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons, and simply pick one reason that describes your problem best. Tap continue button, and now you can enter a refund amount in this box if you want to have your refund. But actually usually when you make a return on AliExpress you don't get your refund, but it depends. Tap continue, and now here you want to confirm your return method. So there are two methods. The first one is AliExpress free return service, and second is self drop-off. You have to decide for yourself which one is better for you, which one works out for you, and pick one method. Tap continue. Here you can provide, in this box you can provide more information about your problem. So describe in details what happened and why basically you want to make a return. And here you can upload evidence, so it's photo or video, so that seller is 100% persuaded that you have to make a return. And do not forget to save your request, and usually those requests are processed within a few business days, so just wait a little bit, and after your request is approved, make sure that you have your free return label. To get it, you need to go back to My Orders section, tap on the order that you want to return, and go to Dispute page, and there basically you should see your return label. But keep in mind that to do that you have deadline of 5 days, and if you miss this deadline your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen the dispute. So download that label and print it. Then you have to carefully pack your parcel and attach that free return label on it. And after 15 days after you receive your label, you have to drop off your parcel at the local post office and basically wait until your package will be delivered to seller back. So that's basically how you can return AliExpress order. I hope that this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.